Good morning, everyone. My name is Liliana, and on this channel, we talk about history, literature, and academic lifestyle related content. So make sure to subscribe if that interests you. For today's video, I'm just going to do a productive, non-homework related vlog. I thought it was important to do this because I wanted to showcase how there are other forms of productivity that exist that don't necessarily have to be related to your schoolwork. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Obviously, right now I'm brushing my hair. It's pretty long. People have made jokes to me about it, saying that they think my hair takes a week to dry and whatnot, but it only takes about an hour. I also decided that I wanted to put on a full entire outfit today instead of just wearing a t-shirt and sweats, because I wanted to feel nice about what I was wearing and, just wear something that's just a little bit more than, again, the t-shirt. I'm also putting on some boots to match my belt because, why not? It's nice to wear something that you like, that looks good on you, and just something that you feel comfortable in. If you want the boots, they're at Target, Cat and Jack in the little kids section. First thing that I'm going to do is take out the trash because unfortunately I have not done that yet this week. It's pretty full, so I think it's time that I should take it out. I wanted to make some pancakes from scratch for breakfast because I haven't done that in a while. I usually just use the pancake mix. So I looked up a recipe on YouTube and I decided I would try it out, and they actually turned out pretty good. This recipe is for more dense, kind of thicker pancakes. I'll leave it in the description if those are the kind that you like and you want to make some like these. I usually eat thinner pancakes, but these thick ones were a little bit biscuit-like, and it was kind of fun to try something new. In between baking and mixing the ingredients, I'm also watching Bernadette Banner's new video about how she bought an 1891 sewing machine, and it was super interesting, so aesthetic. It was fascinating and I loved it. Pancakes are a weekend tradition at my house, and so that's why I decided to make some for myself this weekend, because it's kind of weird to me to not be eating pancakes on the weekend. Do you have food like that? Food that you just kind of grew up eating on certain days of the week or at certain times, and now it just feels weird when you don't have them, so you have to go and make them yourself so that you can, keep up the old habits. I also decided to do some deep cleaning, which I haven't done in a while, I must say. I cleaned everything. I took all the things off all the counters and the tables, the rest of the furniture, etc., and I just wiped down everything, just cleaned everything in my proximity because I felt like I had to do it because I hadn't done like a full-on deep cleaning in a couple months. which means there was a lot of dust. And I'm allergic to dust, which isn't really a very good thing when you haven't cleaned in a while. At least the dust part. And I really don't like washing dishes, but right now, the way it looks on the screen with the classical music, so aesthetic. I wish it was that aesthetic while I was doing it. But unfortunately, it was not, because some of the dishes, especially the one that I made the pancake batter in, was kind of stuck on and it wasn't very fun to wash. Okay, so my sister gave me this puzzle for Christmas, and it was honestly, I've been working at it for quite a while, but the reason it's taken so long is because I actually haven't sat down to do it in like 2 or 3 months. But I have been trying to put in like a piece every 2 weeks, which is really bad. That's why it's taken me so long. But it was a super interesting puzzle because I've never made a circular one before, and it was just kind of weird seeing how the pieces are curved and how they interlock, and it's just so different than your standard puzzle, because how you usually start with the frame and the 4 corners, and that kind of helps you establish your bearings, and this one was not like that. I'm not gonna lie, doing these last parts in the middle took me like 18 minutes, and I don't know why it took me that long. You would think it would be easier because those pieces in the middle is just a picture of Inez Milholland on a horse. And I also wanted to make some decor for my walls. I bought these prints off of Etsy and they sent me the PDF file in 4 different sizes. And it was actually a really good deal because I can print out as many as I want in the 4 different sizes, and I can print them out as often as I want, if that makes sense. So I'm just tea staining them so they have kind of that more antique look. I also tore the edges and I love how they came out. It looks so good on my wall. I love it. Before I go to bed, I'm going to be looking at this book of medieval ornamentation by the architect Carl Alexander von Heidelhoff. And this book is just basically details from a bunch of the decor and ornamentation on these medieval European churches, which I love because, as you guys know, I want to be a medievalist, I want to study religious history, and I think this book is just kind of perfect for that, for understanding, the ornamentation on churches and what they represented. And with that, I am going to sign off and say goodnight. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified when I put up a new video. Bye!